Hey everyone, welcome to RAWatCraft. So today we'll be doing some calligraphy on watercolor background. So here I'm taking some water and just spreading on the sheet. I've just pasted the sheet on my board with the masking tape so that it's more easier for me to work, and I'm just spreading different shades. I have taken some yellow, some red and a little bit of white to just slow down the brightness of red. Okay, and I'm just mixing a lot of water in it, so this way the background can be done and the excess water can be removed with the help of the brush from the sides. And now it's done. I have removed the masking tape and now I'll be writing a quote on it. Okay, so I'm also like learning calligraphy and I'm very new to it, but I'm trying it every day and I'm trying some different things, different patterns on the background. Okay, so here like you can already see I have 3 of the cards on the board. So I have tried all of these and like all 3 are different in their different ways, and so I'm just complete writing the quote. And after that I thought of giving some designing more on the background, so I've just taken one orange shade and now I'm just making the little design with that shade only. So you can see it's little visible. It'll be a little more visible when I'll create some more. So I'm going with the same shade so that it doesn't look odd and it gives a nice texturous look to my paper. So you can create these types of background and you can do calligraphy, quilling or any art you like on that paper, because the background looks more beautiful with that and whatever you do on the front comes out very nicely. Okay, and here I'm also creating one more design at the top. You can create like different sort of designs whatever you like, and with that the final look of the card will be with a quilling flower. Okay, so don't forget to watch it and please do subscribe RAWatCraft for more updates. Okay, and there are many tutorial videos on the channel related to quilling. You can just watch them out. And the flower I'll be sticking here, you'll also be getting a tutorial for that, so you can just get a look at the tutorial and you can just make the same flower. So this is the final look. Thank you so much. Do subscribe.